Fuel injector cleaners. Some of them work great, some of them are basically scented gasoline. I stand behind the parts counter every day. I've sold tons of these bottles. I've seen what actually fixes injector issues and what's just marketing. So today I'm breaking down the chemistry, showing you how to pick a good cleaner even when the bottle doesn't tell you anything. And I'm giving you 3 products I keep in my shop because they prove themselves over the years. Let's get into it. So rule number 1, the chemistry matters more than the brand. Every injector cleaner basically falls into 3 categories. And now I'm not even gonna try and pronounce the real name. You got PEA, polyethylamine. This is the one that actually works. It survives combustion heat, breaks down carbon, and restores spray pattern. PIB, this is a detergent. Good for keeping things clean. It won't remove baked on deposits. PIBA is cheaper, weaker, and usually found in bargain bottles. Think of it like cleaning your oven. PIB wipes the counter, PEA scrubs the baked on grease. If it doesn't have PEA, it's not doing much. Most bottles don't tell you what's inside. The chemistry is proprietary and the safety data sheets don't show the whole story. So here are 3 ways to make a smart choice without needing a chemistry degree. Read what it claims to clean. If the bottle only mentions injectors, it's usually mild. If it says injectors and combustion chambers, that's stronger chemistry. Next, look at how much fuel one bottle treats. If an 8-ounce bottle treats 20 plus gallons, it's very diluted. Stronger cleaners treat less fuel because detergent concentration is higher. And lastly, don't chase the cheapest option. PEA isn't cheap. Below a certain price point, you're basically buying colored solvent. You don't need the most expensive cleaner, just one that's actually built to do the job. A real formula does 4 jobs. It softens varnish and deposits and loosens gunk. Detergent action scrubs carbon, this is where the PEA shines, and stabilizers prevent new buildup, and combustion modifiers makes it burn clean. Cheap bottles usually skips step 2 and 3. They'll keep the injectors clean, but they won't fix one that's already clogged. A real cleaner handles all 4. So let's talk about when cleaners help and when they don't. Fuel system cleaners can help with sticky injectors, varnish buildup, a rough idle, a poor spray pattern, and carbon from short trips. But what they're not going to fix is electrical injector failures, burnt coils, cracked injectors, or internal filter clogs. People ask me which injector cleaners I actually like. And for me, it comes down to the ones that use the right chemistry and actually give consistent results. The Liquid Moly Injectron. Solid PEA cleaner for routine maintenance and smoothing out a light rough idle. AMSOIL PI, one of the strongest PEA loads you can buy. Great for high mileage or dirty injectors. And Royal Purple Max Clean. A great all-around cleaner, especially for the high heat and pressure environment of GDI injector tips. Not a ranking, just the ones I've liked that have held up well in the real world. You don't need this stuff in every tank. My real world schedule, every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. Or every oil change if you do lots of short trips. Highway drivers can stretch it longer. Simple and effective. That's everything you need to know about injector cleaners. What works, what doesn't, and how to choose a good one without wasting money. If you want to try any of the ones I mentioned, I keep them in the shop because they're what I use on my own car. No pressure, just real chemistry that works. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. I'm Chris from Beachside Auto Parts, and I got more practical car care videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.